Hello everyone. So in the last class I was explained about the introduction to geography. So today let us know about geographical realm. So in that first one is Palearctic realm or Palearctic region. So the Palearctic region, it includes northern part of the old world. So this is the largest of the six realm. So Palearctic region, it is extends over whole Europe, China, Japan, North Sahara, Siberia, Mediterranean sea zone of North Africa and Manchuria, Southwest Asia, north of Himalayas and the north of Arabia. So this region is bounded by sea to the west, east and north and by Sahara and Himalayas to the south. So climate is chiefly temperate with an Arctic fringe. So in this region it shows a wide range of temperature fluctuations and it also shows a wide range of fluctuations in the amount of rainfall. So in this region, so it includes both wet and dry open stepped land, large areas of coniferous forests and a fringe of tundra, deciduous forest, wide variations of temperature and great fluctuations in rainfall. So it includes polar Arctic region. On its northern side it shows temperate conditions. Eastern Asia shows deciduous forest and in the northern region as I said stepped grassland are present and in this region it shows wide fluctuation in physical and climatic features, so it is supports good fauna. So this region possesses here presence of fauna that is exhibit variations in the climatic and vegetational subdivisions. It is richest in warmer areas and diminishes northern world. So this region possesses a total of 135 families of terrestrial vertebrates. So in that 33 families of mammals, 68 families of birds, 24 families of reptiles, 10 families of amphibians, 13 families of freshwater fishes. So this region is subdivided into 4 subregions. So Palearctic region has been divided into 4 subregions. So in that European subregions, Mediterranean subregion, Siberian subregion, Manchurian subregion. So here presence of 4 subregions. So European subregion, so it is in the northern and central Europe, Black Sea and Caucasus rate included in it, and it represented by 85 families of vertebrates. So in this region amphibians and reptiles are represented with 6 families each. So Myogel, only one genus of mammal is present, and birds like tits, wactyls and mammals like wolf and moles are common in this subregion. So as in the case of Mediterranean subregion, so remaining parts of Europe, Africa, Arabian portions are included in this region, and here presence of 124 families of terrestrial vertebrates, and it contains the animals like birds like Upupa and pastor, mammals like elephant, scribes, hyena and porcupine are seen in this subregion. So in the Siberian region, So it includes Northern Asia and Himalaya, and here presence of vertebrates are 94 families, and these families in mammal. So here presence of musk deer and moles are present in this subregion, and Manchurian subregion. So it includes the regions of Mongolia, Japan, Korea, and Manchuria. So here presence of mammals like Tibetan langur, great panda, tufted deer, Chinese water deer are common here. Then here presence of fauna. So this region is supported by good fauna. So Palearctic region that contains good fauna. So it includes fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. So here most common fishes are Cyprinus anabas paddle fishes in China, and sucker fishes are present. So amphibians are buffo, hyla, rhacophorus, salamanders, etc. are present here. Then reptiles. So here reptiles are monitor lizard, testudo, and snakes like natrix, pit viper. So are most commonly seen in the Palearctic region. And here birds like hawks, cuckoos, rails, finches, crows are present, so which are migratory. Nearly 37 species of birds are present. Parrots are absent in this region, and mammals like camel, deer, wolf, horse, pig are common. Then fruit bats, panther, bear are also present. The common mammalian fauna that includes deer, bears, dog, cat, squirrels, rabbits, mice, bats, and moles. So therefore it clearly suggested that vertebrate fauna of Palearctic region is not very rich, and it shows overlapping Nearctic region with New World and Old World fauna. So this is about the Palearctic region. So from where to where this region is spreaded, or it includes, and presence of fauna in this region. So this is about the Palearctic region. So these are the some of the fauna what I said. So here presence of fish, amphibia, reptiles, and presence of birds as well as mammals. So this is about the Palearctic realm. Thank you.